Okay, for the homework help, I chose this problem. Um, you can see they're asking how far will, how far in feet will Betty have walked after one complete lap around this block, and that block is broken up into little squares. They tell us that in the model, each small square represents 400 square feet. So let's blow up one of those small squares. I'm going to take that one right there and blow it up so I can look at it a little bit better. If that small square represents 400 square feet is area. So 400 square feet is the area of that little square. We learned in class today, if you want to find the side of a square and you know the area, you can take the square root of the area to find the length of the side. So the square root of 400 will equal the side of the length of the side of that little square. So you have to think about what whole number, when I multiply it by itself, will give me that perfect square of 400. You could try guess and check with whole numbers until you find the one that works. And the more that you do that, the better you'll get at memorizing perfect squares up to about 400, maybe a little higher. So if you try different numbers, and when you get to 20, you'll see that 20 times 20 equals 400. So the square root of 400 equals 20. So the side length of this little square is 20 feet. And I think you'll be able to figure out from there, if each side of each of these little squares is 20 feet, how far in feet she will have walked to go around this whole block, this whole big block. And as you know, every once in a while I put a contest in the homework help, and this is your chance to win the next golden ticket. Just be the first student to you make a list of the first 15 perfect squares. First 15 perfect squares, and be the first student to hand the correct list to Mr. Colby tomorrow. I'll give you a hint. On the first page of your homework, they list the first, I believe it's the first 4 perfect squares. So figure out the first 15 perfect squares, make a list, and hand it to me tomorrow, and the first student to hand me a correct list will win another golden ticket. Hope that helps with the homework. There's another, by the way, for pre-AP, there's a homework help also that helps with one of the questions on the second page of the homework. So you can look at that video also. All right, see you tomorrow.